Hey, hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. The product we're reviewing today is cabinet knobs, Liberty Harmon knob, 138 inches, 35 mm. We got it from Home Depot, and we're gonna install it. Today's installation is gonna be a special one because if you have a cabinet that is not a modern cabinet, you might need to do some adjustment a little bit, or you might need to like take something off in order for you to install this knob on your old cabinet. These old cabinets are the wooden ones that are, like the common cabinets, the wood cabinets. All right, here's the product here, and we're gonna check what's inside of it. Liberty, it's a 10 project pack, 138 inch size. That's 35 mm, and it's Harmon knob, stainless steel nickel. So it's you're gonna have 10 knobs and 10 screws in the bag. So let's cut that open. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the bag. Satin nickel. So we're gonna install this on the drawer. We're gonna start the installation, and I'm gonna show you what kind of cabinet we're installing this on, right? So these are the cabinets. You can see they're pretty old style. Screw is gonna go in there, right, and come out on this side. So just a little bottleneck we run into, right, when you insert the screw from back there all the way in. If you check the front, do not have enough length to come out, right? But it's a solution. If you look inside of your cabinet, you see that it's got 2 screws down there, 1 and 2, and on the other side, look at that, 1 and 2. So the way to go about this is to unscrew screws, right? Unscrew the 4 of them and remove this board, right? And screw on the knob, right? And I'm gonna show you how to do that. Watch. Comes out, right? Bam. So now we can take out our screw and leave that there and screw it in separately. You can put your screw from behind like so, and then screw on the knob like so. Make sure it's tightened with the screwdriver. See, now you have your knob on there, and guess what we're gonna do next? We'll screw that back on the drawer. All right, now I'll show you how to do that. So voila, there you go. We have our knobs. Look at that. It works perfectly. Boom. That's how to install it. Now if you've been wondering if this item is gonna fit into your cabinet, now you know it will work for it. All right, if you like the nickel, if you like the satin nickel metal knobs, right, if you like it, now you know it's gonna work for this. And if it works for this drawer, it will work for all other drawers, all right? Because other drawers are more than and all the stuff like that. So you have it. That's all, everybody. That's how to install satin nickel knob. And where can you get this satin nickel knob? You can get it from Walmart, from Amazon, or from their website. And if this video is one of that video that you like, go ahead, that corner right there, click the like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have you clicked it yet? Come on now. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, move it a little bit more. Yeah, down there. There you go. Thank you. And then share it, and then click the subscribe button. Okay. Thank you.
Bad mind like no stress, no energy. We outside, yeah, no fugazi, yeah. I get too many things, yeah, with it, but I mean, yeah, with it, but I mean. Bad mind like no stress, no energy. We outside, yeah, no fugazi, yeah. We live at me life, we live at that. I know I got the last time I lead out. Baba ginger me make I no suffer, I'ma be a winner, Kenny gone, kill a fast up. She bet me love my team on fetcher. Or I cry to my fast up. Kishama Jay came my flange up. Me a sapa no compatible.